Hi guys, today we are going to declutter this amazing home. We have someone that basically moved in from their house 2 years ago and just have not had the time and the energy to organize and declutter. So this video and these pictures are basically before and after of decluttering. Basically a service that we do offer at MK Cleaning Service. We like to make sure that all of our clients are satisfied and can live in a clean space. So here's the after of the declutter of the bedroom. Cleaned it up, gave it a nice deep clean, organized, put clothes according to the season in storage bins, and the items that you see in the hallway, those are going to be stored by the client. And this is the after. So now our lovely client is able to sleep in her bed and they have a nice walkway. So then we went upstairs and we did the dining room, the living room, and the kitchen. And, cleaning isn't everybody's missionary. So that's what we're here for. And yeah, it does look overwhelming a lot, but this is what we love to do. So this is the kitchen area. And also we don't have any pictures of the cabinets and the insides, but we organized the pots, the Tupperware, and the spices and the seasonings. This is the living room. The client was living in the living room because the room was so cluttered. So she was able to transfer all of her everything downstairs. So now it's the cleanup and the organizing is what's going on. Just, new year, new things. You want to declutter, and sometimes you need a little help. And it's never intimidating, and we don't want to make anybody feel like, oh my God, you are so nasty. No, never, because it's not easy to, deal with life and deal with clutter. So just showing you pictures of the declutter. So this is the after video. We got the stairs as best as we could. She does have two big, I think they're pit bulls. So that would just need to be repainted. But here's the after. It's definitely somewhere that is sittable, livable. You can share a few laughs, some nice tea, a nice drink or whatever. The kitchen floors are definitely MK Shine, along with the cabinets and the counters. And look at the steel, the stainless steel definitely has an MK Shine to it. We went ahead and we organized the pantry area. I bet you all didn't know that there was a desk back there. Oh yeah, we got all that back there too. That's just paper that the client has to go through in that chair. And we also went ahead and did the dining room. Now what you see to the left is what the client has to put in her room. So this is basically a declutter that we did. It was a pleasure servicing this beautiful client, and we have made their life just a little bit easier. Book us for your next organizing, MK Cleaning Service LLC, and we will definitely give you an MK Shine.